High pressure. So you cannot just come and open. See, the moment you open, it starts leaking and it goes into the atmosphere. It spreads very, very fast. See? So what happened? All of these, you see, these tracks, each one of them is fitted with what is called pressure relief valve. So that when the pressure internally increases beyond what is allowable pressure, the valve automatically opens. And when it opens, the gas now flies into the atmosphere. See? It spreads very fast. The rest of is open. The LPG spreads very, very fast. The wind propagates it. Propagate the flame. Once there's fire already around here,
so we see the valve was faulty or what? The valve, not the pressure.
See, the valve is not faulty. There's heat here, the fire. It heats the tank.
Yeah.
The pressure inside the tank, the gas expands inside. So it is compressed. See, it's compressed. It's called liquefied petroleum gas. So when it is heated, it's now the pressure expands inside the tank. The tank, you see, it is designed to maintain just a certain amount of pressure. Beyond that amount, that pressure relief valve opens. If it does not open, the tank will be cold. When it's now open, that pressure relief valve, then the gas starts releasing into the environment. And the wind propagates it. See, that's how the flame now spreads all over the place.
Is there any update you might want to give us now that the claim is here?
At the moment, no. Things we have changed some of us to go and check whether we can the incident or this one is checked.
And in terms of securing this site, gas was again smelling. Have there been experts from EPRA to come and secure the site?
Yeah, EPRA team came here and they confirmed that there was nothing. There was one tire which was burning inside this building, but it was not a threat to the security of the area. Yes.
Are these tanks now empty of gas?
Empty. It was confirmed to be empty, Your Excellency. All of them. It was opened, and we even called members of the public to come here and confirmed.
So from this site, where is the farthest victim from here?
The farthest victim was it was along that stretch of the road that is heading towards Total Petrol Station along that is a road towards the station. Something like 500 meters away from here.
The flame went up the fire.
Yes, Your Excellency.
The cylinder.
Yes.
Must have been a cylinder.
These are bombs.
Yeah.
These are just bombs.
Fire is they say is a good servant but a bad master. It was like a mass on last night.
LPG is a good friend, but it's a very bad enemy. It's a terrible enemy. I deal with LPG other times.
Yes.
That's why, because we manufacture those cylinders.
Yes.
And the standards and specifications are very stringent, you know, and I don't understand how somebody can come and begin filling LPG in a place like this. This is basically committing suicide. This is suicidal. I mean, and you're not only to yourself, to the community around. It is completely unacceptable. It cannot happen in a civilized society. And the oil companies know this. I know no oil company will do an operation like this here. They will not, Vivo or Total will not allow this kind of thing. This must be a Juakali operation. And these are kind of things that must not be allowed to happen in our country.
But there are so many within Embakasi here, Baba, and also within Eastlands. So it's something that should be really raised. There are so many like this, which is just a time bomb.
What we have done, Jacom, is the Energy Committee, the Senate has already written to EPRA. We would want that they give us a complete list of all such facilities operating, whether they are licensed or unlicensed, whether there are cases going on in court involving them or not. We resume on Tuesday. So we're hoping that by Wednesday we should have a sitting with the team from EPRA. It is important even for the locals and the leadership to know where these things are, so that they can not only take appropriate action, but also make the public aware that there is something that like this in your neighborhood. But the most critical issue is that EPRA must enforce the rules. If indeed it is not allowed for a facility to be within such distance, if there are any facilities within Nairobi, Embakasi or anywhere else across the country, they should immediately be shut so that those facilities can be moved to places where the lives of people will not be endangered.
You see, the government itself has got inspectorates. This is not in the work of Parliament. The government itself has got institutions that are meant to safeguard the people. So that Parliament oversight comes much later.
Yes.
You see, the institutions, like you've got factory inspectorate department. I don't know where it went to. It used to be very effective in those days.
When somebody's stomach.
You see?
Even within EPRA themselves, Baba, they have an inspectorate department.
Yes. So what is happening? Somebody somewhere has gone to sleep. Its institutions are not working. And if institutions are not working, people will suffer.
True.
We allow these institutions to work without politics. Because there's too much politicking today in our society. So nobody is working. And profiteering and pilfering. So that the public is at risk. The public is not protected. And this is something that's very worrisome. It's worrying.
Okay. Thank you.